Receiving an investigation inquiry from the United States Consumer Product Safety Commission marks a critical moment that requires a calculated and professional response. Sellers often panic and make detrimental errors, such as deleting product listings or ignoring the correspondence, which can escalate the situation from a manageable inquiry to a severe legal conflict. It is essential to first determine the nature of the communication, distinguishing between a cautionary letter of advice and a serious notice of violation. The latter indicates that the agency likely possesses evidence of a safety hazard and triggers a strict legal obligation to report detailed information within 24 hours. Immediate containment is the first operational step upon confirming a serious investigation. Sellers must halt sales of the affected products across all channels and physically quarantine inventory to prevent further distribution. Crucially, listings should be closed or set to inactive rather than deleted, as deletion can be interpreted as spoliation of evidence. This proactive stance demonstrates responsibility and prevents the expansion of risk. If the goods are detained at the border, they must not be moved or re-exported without explicit permission, as doing so constitutes a serious violation of customs regulations. The core of the defense lies in the submission of a full report, which must be a comprehensive technical and legal document. This report should include engineering analyses, third-party test results, and a root cause analysis of any reported incidents. Sellers must provide a complete map of their supply chain and a review of consumer feedback, using neutral language to describe unconfirmed anomalies rather than admitting to defects prematurely. This document serves as the primary argument for why a product should not be recalled or why the scope of a recall should be limited, and it requires careful drafting to balance transparency with legal protection. For many sellers, the most strategic option is to participate in the fast-track recall program. This allows the company to initiate a voluntary recall without legally admitting liability, which helps protect against future product liability lawsuits. It also expedites the process, allowing for a quicker resolution and more control over the public messaging compared to a mandatory recall. Once a recall is established, the seller must execute a robust corrective action plan that includes effective consumer notification and remedy procedures. The Commission will monitor the progress of the recall for months, and maintaining high response rates and accurate records is essential to formally closing the case and transforming the crisis into a lesson in compliance.